Winston Wole Soboyejo has developed laser-textured surfaces for biomedical implants that improve how they bond with bone, created nanoparticle systems for targeted cancer detection and drug delivery, and advanced pressure-assisted manufacturing for perovskite solar cells that reach efficiencies near world record levels. His research turns fundamental materials science into practical tools for health, energy, and sustainable development. Born in 1964 in Palo Alto, California, Soboyejo moved to Nigeria as a child. He earned a BSc in Mechanical Engineering from King's College London in 1985 and a PhD in Materials Science and Metallurgy from Cambridge University in. His early doctoral work examined how defects spread in materials under repeated loading, laying groundwork for understanding material durability. In 1988, he joined McDonnell Douglas Research Labs as a research scientist. By 1992, he moved through the Edison Welding Institute and into a faculty role at Ohio State University. He visited MIT as a professor in 1997-1998, before joining Princeton University in 1999 as a professor of mechanical and aerospace engineering, where he spent 17 years and founded the US/Africa Materials Institute in 2003 to link researchers across continents. One concrete contribution is in biomedical implants. Soboyejo's team developed laser texturing techniques for surfaces on dental and orthopedic implants. This creates microscopic patterns that promote better integration with living bone tissue, reducing failure rates. In cancer research, his group engineered submicroscopic nanoparticles designed to attach specifically to tumor cells, such as in breast and prostate cancers. These particles enable earlier detection using standard imaging by highlighting tiny tumors, and can carry anti-cancer drugs directly to cancer sites, aiming to improve treatment precision and reduce side effects on healthy tissue. Complementary work includes a shear assay technique to measure mechanical forces inside cell organelles, helping researchers understand how cells respond to their environment in disease. For energy, Soboyejo's research produced pressure-assisted fabrication methods for perovskite solar cells, achieving 24.1% photoconversion efficiency. His team also developed processes for light-emitting devices that were patented and licensed to Samsung. Additionally, they explored biochemomechanical conversion of bamboo into biofuels like biobutanol and bioethanol. On sustainability, he has worked on ceramic water filters using local materials like mud and straw to remove contaminants, providing low-cost clean water solutions. His efforts include affordable housing materials and setting up photovoltaics labs in Nigeria to support local solar energy production. Soboyejo extended his impact through leadership. From 2012 to 2014, he served as president and provost of the African University of Science and Technology in Abuja. He has mentored numerous students through programs at Princeton's Prism Institute and broader initiatives. In 2016, he moved to Worcester Polytechnic Institute as Dean of Engineering, advancing to Provost and Interim President. Since October 2023, he has been President of SUNY Polytechnic Institute. He has authored or co-authored over 400 papers and 4 textbooks. In 2021, he was elected to the National Academy of Engineering for his work on material behavior and STEM leadership in Africa. His patents and projects demonstrate targeted applications, better implant integration, precise medical nanoparticles, high-efficiency solar processing, and practical filters for resource-limited settings. Through research, teaching, and institutional leadership, Soboyejo has translated materials knowledge into tools that address health, energy access, and development challenges.